full face snorkel mask. 3 totally separated air channels that can prevent CO from re-inhalation. Ensure you every inhalation is fresh air, not the old air that makes you feel dizzy. 180 panoramic view. Clear and flat lenses for better view underwater. It's anti-fog and has the action camera mount.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look, my hair looks so crazy. Yes,
Okay.
I like the design. Yes, this is the first time we're gonna be
We
trying
tried
this.
this full face.
Yes. Now let me show a few things here. Let's build it from zero. Let's take this out. Oh, okay.
It has to be very tight because it's gonna be holding your action camera and you don't wanna lose it.
Yes. So let's see. Because I can't remember how I put this together now. Okay, now I have done it. All right. So the way it works, comes like this. So what you're gonna do now? You're gonna put this here. Now the nice thing before, I want to show you something here. Let me show you what it comes with, and then we change cameras. All right. So we get the back. We get the instructions. Okay, you have to measure. You have to, and it give you different language. You have to measure yourself before we order. What we did, we measure my face. It give you the instructions when you buy the pencils you need.
Which
Small,
was risky
medium.
when we measure your face because we had the exact time to get it on time to take it on the cruise.
Yeah, we got the thanks card, and we got some pieces here. This is for your either your GoPro or compatible camera. I'll show you how that works.
Any action
And yes, we got the sun valve here, the valves, and we had the ring here.
Yeah.
That's the ring, and the valves on the side. So the way it works, it just go like this, and that's done.
That part is
So
called
here
the air
it-
tube
Yeah, so here we got the valve in case water comes in, automatic.
anti-leak dry top.
Yes, it's a full face.
Yeah,
I like
it
the
has flat
color.
lens.
Now to mount, and also comes with that part. So my case, I do have that, so I will show you what it looks like. I'm sorry, and it comes with this bar. If you do have that, then you mount this here.
Let me show you how to
Close
press it really
compression.
hard.
You mount it right there. You make sure it don't go nowhere. Then comes with this piece. So what I did in my case, I have extra parts. I had that part here. Then you don't have to, but if you want, you can hit that part. So I hit that part there, and then
And it's also anti-fog.
oh, I took the camera out, but that's okay. Then what we do with the camera here, you either GoPro or whatever camera you use.
Any action camera.
Yes. So you go like this, and now you got a full system. Put that straight to record all the fish on the water. You go like this, and now you have a nice
Now we
full.
are ready to cruise.
Huh?
We are ready to cruise.
Right. We have a nice system to.
To record your adventures.
Okay. Let's change your full size, and now we can see the way this thing looks. Now this is separate. Okay, this don't come with the.
It doesn't come with the mask.
Right. Only comes with this little piece in the nut
you will
right
need
there.
to mount
Yeah,
it.
to mount this. Anyway, when you buy these cameras, they have a lot of these extra pieces. So that's it. That's what you
And
get.
the straps are very nice and soft. I hated the ones that came with the straps that were made out of silicone.
Oh yeah, but
Because
that's
they
the
get
full
caught
cut.
all of my hair and I lose all my hair.
So
these are very nice, soft and tight.
on the next section, you will see actually a true test of this.
In action.
The action, yes. So we come back finally from vacation. Like I said, we will review on the second part of the video. If you see, we already have a real nice color. Menina, what do you think about this?
Okay, this snorkel mask is absolutely amazing. I didn't expect that I was going to be able to breathe so well. I used to use the other ones in which you had to bite the rubber thingy, but this one, your face is completely free. Even if you have makeup, your makeup will not get messed up. It's
Yeah,
way easier to
one of my problems
breathe.
I used to have with the other one, the one you just put right in the mouth. I don't know. I'm not so used to for that. So you get nervous in the beginning, and I could not. I really do. It was not enjoyable type of thing, a snorkel. When I use this, and just in the beginning, you kind of get, I don't know, you just breathe crazy because you're just under the water with your mouth open, but you had a mask. So if you're not used to, kind of had the sensation like you want to breathe faster, but when you control your breathing, and after a few seconds, it's beautiful. The view is perfect. I didn't have any problem. The first time I did really enjoy doing a snorkel. It's worth 1,000 times. If you guys ever use it, you need to try this. It's real worth it. And even I told Menina she needs to buy another one. We're gonna get another one because we're so good. So we're getting ready for another cruise in a few
Oh
months.
yes.
So definitely we're gonna go and get the second one. Another thing too that we noticed we didn't talk about in the video. You notice this when you start playing with the things, and the size it has. You can you know take it off. You don't have to like pop it off like you saw me doing in the video. Just take these things in the side like this. It has another one there and make it easy to remove and to put it in. Another thing you want to use is these two little device, these two little rubber dots for your ears. So water doesn't hit you right in the ear because the position you are, right in the beginning of the level of the sea. So you want to use this. And another thing too, you really float. There is no way you can go down, right?
Yeah.
You try and you can.
Yeah, you cannot.
You cannot. So
I even forgot that I had the mask. I was trying to go down to touch the rocks, and there was no way to do it.
Yeah. So that's a nice thing too. You just float down and look down, and it's just floating. That's a beautiful thing. With the other one, I was not able to do. I was just going down. So I do really recommend this product. I mean, I enjoy it so much. That's what I do in the second part on the same video. It was real good thing. So we're getting ready for our next vacation, and you need to get another one.
Yes.
So yeah. So to get more information on this cool product, check the link below. We do recommend this. All right. Bye.